Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel, thanks for stopping by, I do genuinely appreciate it. If you could help me out by dropping a like, subscribe, any questions, you know where to put them in the boxes down below. I want to talk about XRP today because apparently Charles Hoskinson knows when the settlement with the SEC is going to be, so we'll go through that, but firstly I'll go through the crypto market as a whole. We're down 1.44% over the last 24 hours. We've got a market cap of 844 billion. 24-hour trading volume of 32 billion. Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 38.7%, with Bitcoin dropping below 17,000 again. It's at 16,982. So that's let me just look across the market as a whole. It's fairly flat across the board. Litecoin's selling off. There's a fair few things that are selling off. There's not much money coming into the market at the moment, not much fresh capital. So if we look at the XRP coin market cap page, it's currently sitting at 37 cents. I'm still going to be accumulating at these levels. I believe anything below 40 cents is worth it. This isn't financial advice, by the way. It's purely for entertainment purposes only. But I've been accumulating this since 2017, I think. Just constantly accumulating. Just a bit at a time when I've got some spare money. So they've got 1.7 million followers on CoinMarketCap, so there is a massive community around XRP. They've got an $18 billion market cap, 24-hour trading volume of 723 million, and a circulating supply of 50 billion XRP, which is only 50% because I know they've held some back. It's currently ranked 7 on CoinMarketCap, so it's in the top 10 still. It was as high as number 2. I remember back in the day when it flipped Ethereum, when I think Ripple XRP was over $3 at one point. Right, anyway, so this article I've just come across has only just been published a few minutes ago. It's well, I'll just go through it quickly with you. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has made an explosive claim about the legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the US Securities and Exchange Commission in one of his infamous AMAs. Hodgkinson commented on a possible settlement date for the case between Ripple and the SEC. The Cardano leader has reportedly received information that a settlement between two parties could be made public on December the 15th. I'd be curious to know where he gets this information from. Sorry, it's my understanding that all this stuff is like confidential, but if he says he knows, I'll go with it. However, the Cardano founder warned that the decision will have a catastrophic impact on the crypto industry in the now 2-year-long legal battle if his information proves to be true. He said, "I heard rumours that the Ripple case will be settled on December the 15th, and that could have catastrophic implications for the industry one way or the other. But you just keep moving forward regardless of what happens. It's a decentralized ecosystems that you guys control." So that's his thoughts on it, but the article continues. Speculations on the outcome of the Ripple SEC lawsuit. Hodgkinson's comments come after both Ripple and the SEC filed their motions for summary judgment on December the 2nd. These were the last submissions Judge Torres will receive on the ruling of her case. Now it's a matter of waiting. Meanwhile, there is vehement speculation in the community about what the outcome of the case may be. Jeremy Hogan, an American lawyer who's been following the Ripple case as a commentator for the XRP community since the beginning, sees mixed chances. He's worth following on Twitter. I think he's got a YouTube channel now as well. He knows what he's talking about, and he's got in on this like since the start. He's been offering his legal expertise in it, and you can learn quite a lot by listening to him. But Hogan pointed out in his latest analysis that a Ripple could win, lose, or there could be a draw. Excuse me. However, the most likely scenario, according to the attorney, is that the blockchain firm wins. But this is contingent on the SEC not being able to prove the blockchain company has legal obligations to buyers of XRP. That said, Hogan also sees a 30% chance that Ripple will lose the case. This could happen if the SEC managed to convincingly present to Judge Torres that Ripple used the sales of XRP to build its cross-border payments business. More probabilities. Right. Hogan assigns a 19.1%, very specific, a 19.1% chance to a draw. This could look like Judge Torres deeming early sales of XRP as securities after a certain day. However, XRP is losing its status and will be classified as a non-security sale for just like all XRP, all future XRP transactions. Sorry, I got my tongue tied there. A final scenario, according to Hogan, could be a completely unexpected ruling, which sometimes happens in litigation. In summary, Hogan said, in conclusion, the legal brief's official lawsuit prediction is a 50.12% chance of Ripple winning, a 29.88% chance the SEC wins. Gene Hoffman, Chief Operating Officer of blockchain company Chia Network, recently expressed a completely contrarian view. Hoffman predicts that the judge will rule in favour of the SEC, as the regulator has not lost a Section 5 case in decades. Moreover, the COO pointed to the LBRY case in which the SEC walked away victorious just a few months ago. Also, the Hinman speech is completely irrelevant, as other XRP bag holders claim, because Hinman told Ripple leadership that he believes XRP will be a security in 2019. Then goes on with some price analysis. We can actually have a little look at my chart, see what my computer's being very slow today, so let's go to XRP. This is a chart I've been looking at for God knows how long. So just there's just a lot of chop. Like we're sitting between 40 and 37 cents for God knows how long now. Go to the daily. Still waiting to break this trend line. I think that's off on the weekly. Yeah, so the trend line back from there from the last pump where it went up to just shy of $2. It's been tested once, twice. I'd like to see a clean break of that trend line. There's resistance here at 37 cents. What I've noticed is that TradingView charts don't directly correlate to what they say on CoinMarketCap. You really want to pay attention to the price on your exchange. That's where you're going to get your real true price as to what an asset's value is. But on TradingView, it's saying it's not 37. Sorry, it's little thereabouts. So we got the 100 above the 50. That's bearish. It's recently just crossed. No divergences. Momentum is starting to move towards negative territory. Let's look on the monthly. Yeah, it's negative momentum. Both the signal line and the I can't talk today. MACD line are pointing down. Well, the moving average is grown. It's not grown 100 yet. It's grown a 50 moving average. The daily's where I take most of my information from, because I don't day trade crypto. What's going on here? Same sort of picture really. Let's go down to the hourlies to see what's for any day traders out there. Absolutely nothing. There's been a sharp sell-off last night. I say sharp sell-off. Let's just do that with the measuring with the ruler. So like 4% down, which is nothing in the grand scheme of things. When you're looking at, we'll go back to all-time highs monthly. Where do we sit now? So from all-time high, this is all very rough, to where we sit now, we're down 81.15%. So back on, that in correlation to when we're talking about drip that I'm making a few videos on really recently, mainly because people don't really seem to understand. XRP's 85% down, I've just said there. Drip is down 99.8% or something, so that's like something that's heading for zero. I hope it isn't, because I just spent 200 quid on it, because I just saw it below $1, and I remember this time last year it was around 100. So I'm just gambling. I don't mind gambling from time to time. I'll take a punt on it. If I'm wrong about drip, no one will be happier than me, and I'll be happy with everyone that makes money out there. But this is about XRP. Let's get another little so where I see right, you've got a bit of support and resistance there and there. So these will all be targets. Or we go further back, we've got more there. So these are all areas of interest, like key levels. But that's not for now, though. If this bloke's right about it being settled on the 15th, then I don't think it makes much difference if they win or lose. They pay the fine and they move on. They don't have to operate out of America. I live in the UK, so I bought all mine in the UK. It doesn't affect me. The SEC isn't of my concern. Once it's over, and I think it will bring regulations to the crypto market, and I think that's much needed, because it will get rid of all these shit coins and pump and dump coins and people, all these celebrities that will back these worthless meme coins, and people end up getting wrecked, losing money. And it what's the word? It not not untrustworthy. It makes the market look a bit shady and not trustworthy. Not something that it makes it look dirty when it shouldn't be. It should be regulated. If there's clear regulations in place, then people can invest with confidence and not worry about losing their money. Obviously, you can lose money, but you're a bit more into like the stocks and shares sort of arena. I'm going to wrap that up for now, but if you found any use in that, then don't forget to like, subscribe. Any questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as and when I can. But as for now, I wish you all a wonderful afternoon and thanks for watching. Bye for now.